Planning to visit Chicago soon? Let's start our journey into the Windy City, a bustling metropolis renowned for its stunning architecture, delectable cuisine, and vibrant culture. From towering skyscrapers that touch the sky to the deep dish pizza that will tantalize your taste buds, Chicago offers a rich tapestry of experiences waiting to be explored. This comprehensive guide is your passport to all things Chicago, ensuring you don't miss a beat. Stay tuned as we dive into the heart of Chicago. Chicago is home to some of the most iconic and historic landmarks in the United States. Let's begin our exploration with the Cloud Gate, more fondly known as the Bean. This massive, shiny sculpture, designed by artist Anish Kapoor, is a marvel of modern art and engineering. Its reflective surface provides a distorted mirror image of the city's skyline and the sky above, making it a favorite spot for photographers and selfie enthusiasts. The Bean is not just a piece of art. It's a unique experience that changes with every step you take around it. Moving on, we find ourselves at the Navy Pier, a lively hub of entertainment and leisure. It's a place where tourists and locals alike come to enjoy a blend of fun and relaxation. From the iconic Ferris wheel offering panoramic views of the city to the Children's Museum and the Shakespeare Theater, the Navy Pier encapsulates the spirit of Chicago. It's a place where modernity and history come together, creating a vibrant atmosphere that's hard to resist. Next on our list is the Willis Tower, formerly known as the Sears Tower. This towering skyscraper held the title of the world's tallest building for 25 years. Today it's home to the Skydeck, an observatory that offers an unbeatable bird's-eye view of the city. Standing on its glass floor, known as the Ledge, gives you the thrilling sensation of walking on air, almost 1,400 feet above the ground. It's an experience that truly puts the magnificence of Chicago into perspective. Last but not least, we arrive at the Art Institute of Chicago, one of the oldest and largest art museums in the United States. Housing a collection of over 300,000 works of art, it's a must-visit for art lovers. From the ancient Egyptian artifacts to the contemporary masterpieces, the Art Institute offers a comprehensive journey through the world of art. Its iconic lion statues at the entrance have become a symbol of the city, welcoming visitors with their majestic presence. These landmarks are more than just tourist attractions. They are the heartbeat of Chicago, each telling a different story about the city and its people. They showcase the architectural prowess, the cultural richness, the love for art, and the spirit of innovation that defines this city. So whether you're standing in awe under the Bean, enjoying a leisurely stroll along the Navy Pier, gazing at the city from the top of the Willis Tower, or immersing yourself in the world of art at the Art Institute, you're experiencing the essence of Chicago. These landmarks not only offer breathtaking views but also a glimpse into Chicago's rich history and culture. No visit to Chicago would be complete without indulging in its diverse and delicious culinary scene. Let's start with the city's famous deep dish pizza. This isn't your typical thin crust pie. These pizzas are dense, hearty, and filled to the brim with cheese, sauce, and a variety of toppings. It's more akin to a savory pie with a thick buttery crust that's baked in a pan and piled high with ingredients. It's a Chicago institution, a must-try for any food lover. Next we have the Chicago-style hot dog. Forget about ketchup, my friends. A true Chicago dog is a feast of flavors and textures. It starts with a steamed poppy seed bun, cradling a beef frankfurter that's been dragged through the garden. We're talking about toppings like mustard, neon green relish, chopped onions, juicy tomato wedges, a kosher-style pickle spear, sport peppers, and a dash of celery salt. It's a symphony of taste that sings Chicago in every bite. And then there's the Italian beef. This sandwich is a marvel of meaty goodness. Thinly sliced beef, slow-roasted and steeped in savory juices, is stacked high on an Italian-style roll. It's often topped with giardiniera or sweet peppers, and for those who like it wet, the sandwich is dipped back into the juice for a flavor-packed experience that will leave you craving for more. Chicago's culinary scene extends beyond these iconic dishes. The city is also home to a variety of renowned eateries, from Michelin-starred restaurants to cozy neighborhood joints, each offering a unique taste of Chicago's vibrant food culture. And let's not forget the city's bustling food festivals like the Taste of Chicago, where you can sample a wide array of the city's culinary delights. Whether you're a fan of haute cuisine or prefer simple, hearty fare, Chicago's food scene has something to offer. Each dish tells a story, a narrative of the city's diverse cultures and history, served on a plate for you to savor. Chicago's culinary scene is a food lover's paradise, offering a taste of the city's diverse culture and history. Beyond food and landmarks, Chicago offers a myriad of activities for every type of traveler. The city's diverse offerings ensure that whether you're into art, sports, shopping, or just enjoy being outdoors, you'll find something to suit your taste. Let's start with something that truly captures the spirit of the city: a boat tour on Lake Michigan. It's not just a boat ride, it's an opportunity to see the city's breathtaking skyline from a different perspective. If you're looking for a romantic activity, opt for an evening cruise and get ready to be dazzled by the city lights reflecting off the tranquil waters of the lake. Next, make your way to the city's heart, Millennium Park. This urban oasis is home to some of the city's most iconic sculptures, including the famous Cloud Gate, affectionately known as the Bean by locals. With its gleaming reflective surface, it's a must-visit for any first-time visitor. But Millennium Park is not just about the Bean. It's a place where you can enjoy free concerts, take a stroll through the beautifully manicured Lurie Garden, or let the kids splash around in the Crown Fountain. For those who love shopping, the Magnificent Mile is your destination. This bustling avenue is lined with high-end boutiques, department stores, and luxury brands. It's not just about shopping though. The Magnificent Mile also boasts some of the city's best restaurants and historic landmarks. So, whether you're a fashionista on the hunt for the latest trends or a history buff interested in the city's architecture, the Magnificent Mile has it all. And let's not forget about the sports enthusiasts. Chicago is a city that loves its sports teams, and catching a game at the historic Wrigley Field is an experience like no other. Whether you're a die-hard Cubs fan or just a casual observer, the energy of the crowd, the crack of the bat, and the taste of a classic Chicago-style hot dog make for a quintessential Chicago experience. Apart from these, the city has a plethora of museums, galleries, and music venues that are sure to satiate the appetite of any culture vulture. And if you're someone who loves being outdoors, there's the expansive Lincoln Park, the tranquil North Avenue Beach, and the vibrant Navy Pier to explore. In essence, Chicago is a city that doesn't just have something for everyone, it seems to have everything for everyone. It's a city that effortlessly blends the charm of the past with the vibrancy of the present, creating an atmosphere that's both captivating and comforting. Whether you're an adventure seeker or a culture enthusiast, Chicago has something to offer for everyone. Whether it's your first time visiting or you're a seasoned traveler, Chicago never ceases to amaze. This city, known for its bold architecture and vibrant culture, has something for everyone. Let's recap. We've journeyed through the city's iconic landmarks, from the towering Willis Tower to the stunning Navy Pier. Each landmark tells a story of Chicago's rich history and innovative spirit, making them must-see spots for any traveler. We also delved into Chicago's culinary scene, a smorgasbord of flavors from all around the world. We can't forget about the city's signature deep dish pizza and Chicago-style hot dogs, dishes that have become synonymous with the city's name. Dine in any of Chicago's renowned eateries, and you're sure to have a gastronomic adventure. And let's not forget about the myriad of activities that Chicago has to offer. Whether it's exploring the city's diverse neighborhoods, attending a jazz concert, or simply strolling along the beautiful lakefront, there's never a dull moment in the Windy City. Chicago, with its blend of urban charm and Midwestern hospitality, is more than just a travel destination. It's a city that invites you to immerse yourself in its culture, to taste its food, and to experience its traditions. It's a city that captivates, that enthralls, and that leaves a lasting impression. So pack your bags and get ready to explore the Windy City. Chicago is waiting for you. Waiting.